let the sequence xn is defined by x1 is 1 by 3, x2n is half x2n minus 1, and x2n plus 1 is 1 upon 3 plus x2n for all natural number. This is the structure of xn, how this is defined for all natural number. This is for even terms and this is for odd terms. Now options are limit superior of xn is half, limit inferior of xn is 1 by 3. Similarly, limit superior and inferior is asked in all four options. So first we compute what is limit superior and what is limit inferior for this particular sequence. Limit superior is infimum of all limit points, and limit inferior is supremum of all limit points. Because this sequence is, first term is 1 by 3, second term is 1 by 2 x1, and x1 is 1 upon 3. So 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 3, this is equal to 1 upon 6. x3 is 1 upon 3 plus previous one. So 1 upon 6, this one equal to 3 2 is 6 plus 1 divided by 6. This means half. So few terms of the sequences are 1 upon 3, this is first term, second term is 1 upon 6, and third term is 1 upon 2. You can compute other terms as x4. x4 will be 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2, this is equal to 1 upon 4, and x5 is 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. This one equal to 12 as a LCM. So 4 plus 3 is 7 by 12. So 1 upon 4, 7 by 12. So you can identify this sequence is not monotonically increasing or decreasing, but this sequence is bounded. All terms are positive, so you can say 0 is lower bound, and defined terms are by half, and this is coming from previous one. So all terms are near about 2. So all xn either less than equal to 2 or greater than equal to 0. So we have two lower bound, 0 and 2. When sequence is bounded, now sequence is bounded, so limit superior is largest limit point, and limit inferior or lim inf is smallest limit point. So for these few terms, we can say that largest point is half. So limit superior may be half. Remember the use term may, not confirm. So look for options. Limit superior is half in option A. Similarly in option B. In option C, 1 upon 3. And in option D, 1 upon 2. So option C discard here. Now we have three possibility, option A, B and D. Means if anyhow we get the idea about limit inferior, then we are done. So limit inferior few possibilities are 1 upon 3, 1 upon 3 square and 1 upon 6. Now again come to these few terms. You can say that 1 upon 6 is the smallest, in these few terms. I am not saying in all terms 1 upon 6. This is by trial and error. 1 upon 6 is smallest in these few terms. So possibility of limit inferior is 1 upon 6, and limit superior is 1 upon 2. Is this in all these four option? Yes, this is in option D. So option D is confirm, because here it is not asked about supremum or infimum. Supremum and infimum is slightly different from these, but for a convergent sequence they become same. Limit superior and limit inferior and supremum and infimum become same. So limit superior is half and limit inferior is 1 upon 6. Always keep remember, whenever sequence is bounded, then limit superior is largest limit point and limit inferior is the smallest limit point. To justify these two are limit points or not, 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 6 are limit points or not. So we have many subsequences which are converging to this one and this one of given sequence, not random sequence. It is, keep in mind, subsequences or sequences must from these given original sequences.